Hi everyone, this is Arvind from AllCPL. Topic for today's session: difference between is and as keyword in C#. In this session, we will learn what are the difference between is and as keyword in C#. Let's check with example. In Visual Studio, we have defined one class having name P. In main method we have created the object of class P and the name of object is O1, and in next line we have created one object variable, type variable and assign string value. In console we have written O1 means class P object, O1 is object, and in next line obj is string. Let's check the output. Okay, in both the condition the output is true, means both the condition is true. O1 is object, yeah, this is correct. O1 is a object, and in next line obj is a string. Again this is also true, obj is string. Okay, let's change the type of object. In object we have assigned string. Instead of string, just change the number. Okay, now in this case obj is string. In this condition, this time the condition is false. Let's check the output, and the output is, the first is true and second condition is false. Okay, it means is keyword is useful when you want to check if two objects are of the same type or not. In this scenario we use is keyword, means with the help of is keyword we can check two objects are of the same type or not. Now check the next keyword, as keyword. Just remove this. Yeah, now we check the as. Okay, for as keyword we have created one object obj and assign some string value, and in next line we have written string f name equal to obj as string. Okay, and write the console dot write line. In console dot write line just print the f name. Okay, and let's check the output. Okay, and in output is Arvind. Okay, now change the value of object, some numeric value 1 2 3, and we define one string, again same string f name obj as a string. Now we typecast number into string. Let's check the output. Okay, getting null value. It means as keyword is useful when you want to typecast object of one type to other type. And if type is match, at that time same the value of object is print or the value of object is written. If type is not match, in that case it will return the null value. Or we can put the debugger, just put the debugger and run this. Okay, in this case f name, now we try to typecast from integer to string. F10 getting the null, F1 f name is null, means when type is not match, at that time it will return the null value, or when unable to typecast, at that time return null value. Difference between is and as keyword in C#. Is keyword is useful when you want to check if two objects are of the same type or not. As keyword is useful when you want to typecasting object of one type to other type. The is keyword is of boolean type, as keyword is not a boolean type. Second difference. Third difference, the is keyword return true if given object is of the same type. If type is match, at that time is return true. In case of as, when object is compatible, at that time return the value of the object. In next point, the is keyword return false if the given object is not same as same. In case of is, if the type is not same, then is keyword return a false value. In case of as, when unable to convert, in this scenario as return null value. As keyword return null if the conversion is not possible. Already we check in the example. Next and last one, the is keyword is used for only reference, boxing and unboxing conversion. As keyword or as operator is used only for nullable, reference and boxing conversion. These are the difference between is keyword and as keyword. If you have any query, you can write in comment section.